friends, Running Kimono here, and believe it or not, this was a free haul today. So I'm going to dive right in and tell you how I did this over at Walgreens, and then we got our chintzy little snuggle. But I'm going to show you how I got all this Olay for free. It's a pretty spectacular deal. Weather report for you guys. It is, I don't know, kind of like a hot one. It's in its 70s today. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. Okay, so first thing this morning, I made a video about the Olay deal using paper and digital boosters. This is the one that I had, and subsequently another one printed out, which is $7 of Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So I'm gonna have to use this week because it expires on Saturday, I believe. But like, I used one of these. So I needed a basket of $35 of goods. So I'm just gonna jog you through what I did, and yes, it worked beautifully for me. So the Olays are $6 each. So I grabbed 5 of them for $30, and I went with this mineral salt one. I don't know, I just thought it would be nice. 30 bucks for this. So to get to 35 for this, I'm $5 short. So I just threw in the 2 Irish Springs. This deal is 100% digital as well. So 30 for this. These are $3.99 a piece, so that's $7.98. So the subtotal for all of this is $37.98. Now I have a 10 off of 5 digital for the Olay, and then a $1 for the Irish Spring, plus a digital basket booster, which is spend 20, get back $5 of Walgreens cash, and that digital can be stacked with this paper one. So I got the cashier to scan all this, scan my store card, scan all this stuff, and then I got the cashier to scan this. Cashier presses the pay button, the $10 and the $1 come off. So I had to pay $26.98 cash bills out of pocket. Not negotiable. So I used my debit card and boom. And then what I got back was $22 in Walgreens cash. So that is pretty spectacular. I got back $5 for spending $25 on Olay. I got back $5 for buying 2 of the Irish Spring. Plus, I got back 12, 7, and 5 for the 2 boosters. And yeah, so that is 22 bucks. So how fantastic is that? Also, a couple of you were pointing this out to me. There is a website with P&G Good Every Day. Go to that website, and if you hit rebate, they have one for in concert with the Olympics, that if you spend either 50 or 20, you can get back a $15 gift card with P&G, or a $5 gift card. Now, as I spent 20 out of pocket after coupons, guess what? This qualifies for a $5 Visa gift card, so this makes this haul completely for free. The last little deal that I did, and kind of a chintzy haul, and I'll explain why I did not get my Angel Soft, because I wanted to get it, but I'm going to show you a photo here that'll probably surprise you in a second. So Mr. Snuggle is $1.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1.49. I used $1 of Walgreens cash, paid 49 cents plus the tax for this product that's, you know, full of magic and makes your laundry really clean. I think the original price point for this is $5.79. I'll pay that all day, every day, and twice on Sunday. Okay guys, so looking at the Angel Soft, this is a really solid deal this week where the toilet paper is $3.99, dollar of instant savings, plus we have a 50-cent digital coupon. Just to show you the tag a little clearly, when you buy 3 of these, you get back a $3 register reward, so a little bit extra savings. Even without coupons, it's $2.99 for these 9 packs, which is like a lot of toilet paper. Now, here's my problem of why I didn't buy them at this specific store. Something happened when it came off the truck because there was this weird, it was like Vaseline smeared all over it with dirt or whatever this is. It was so disgusting. I don't know if it seeped into the toilet paper. It just looked filthy, and it was across all of the toilet paper. So I'm not buying it. It's really gross, especially where this is going to be going. You know, you just don't want to have like dirt and that sort of a thing. So yeah, I'm not sure if it happened when they were like, you know, taking it off the truck or it happened at a warehouse, but it was this like really weird, like lubricant almost on top of it that was all brown. It was really weird. So I didn't even want to chance it. I touched it and I thought it was just like dust, and then I would just dust it off, but it was like this thick stuff. It was really disgusting. So I left it all at the store. I'm going to try and find this somewhere else because I'm not even going to buy it because, I mean, whenever there's something tampered or opened or stuff like, you know, toilet paper, medicine, this sort of stuff, you shouldn't even buy it. And I did inform the staff. I'm like, hey, something's really going on weird with the toilet paper. So yeah, that's that. Great story. I probably will make a movie and sell the rights to this one and make a t-shirt of like, I didn't get my toilet paper on Sunday, but always keep a watchful eye out for this. Also, a bunch of little clearance they had right at the checkout. They want you to buy these as an impulse buy, including these Ritter Sports. So it's a little block of, I believe this is German chocolate. I'm sure there's some people that love this chocolate that can correct me in the comments. 75 cents. I think it's usually close to $2 or $3. We have the Orbitz gum for 40 cents. I have so much dental work that I would have bought this being on my fancy new diet because it's sugar-free. But I don't want to lose like a crown or a filling in the mix of it. If you have a lot of fillings in dental work, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But 40 cents is a great price point. It's usually like $1.29 for this over at Walgreens, but I just left it at the store. And a couple of the 4th of July little necklaces and some flags. This was 39 cents. So I think the original price point was $3.99. So a significant drop in that. Also for graduates, they had like, you know, class of 2021, that sort of stuff, 90% off as well. And then I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek in the store of the Dove, because I know that the price point was kind of like, people were like, how much is it? So for the ladies Dove, it's $7.99. Depending what digitals you're going to be using. If you're using the dollar ones, you have to buy 1 lady, 1 men. But if you're using the 3 off of 2, you can either get the men or the women's. The cheaper one is to get the men's because the men is $7.49. The ladies is an extra 49 cents. But if you do suffer from really bad eczema or psoriasis, you know that the ladies, you know, the scent-free one by Dove is definitely worth its weight in gold. Kind of disappointed that Walgreens didn't give us a 6 off of 2, but the week is very young. Maybe as the week progresses, that 6 off of 2 might pop up, and we'll definitely have a video for that if it does in fact show up. Okay, the last thing we're going to talk about is Meijer, grocery store here in the Midwest. So they have get $4 off instantly. So that happens at the cash register for selected Airwick and Lysol products, Resolve as well. And the keynote ones I want to talk about are the Lysol wipes for $1.99. But also the toilet bowl cleaners for $1.79. So you would grab 4 of them and $4 would come off, and it's 79 cents per toilet bowl cleaner if you can find it. I know there's a really big shortage on it. $1.99 for the Lysol wipes, and then it's a 34 count. So grabbing 4 of them, that's $7.96. We have $1 off 2 MPerk. So plus the $4 of instant savings, it's $1.96 for the 4, or 74 cents each. I believe in this weekend Smart Source, there's also $1 off MPerk for those wipes. So if you would pair like a manufacturer along with the MPerk, you could save $2. So it would drop it down to $1.96 for the 4. So extra savings for you if you are able to get your hands on some inserts. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.